Hello, friends and subscribers. Welcome back. I'm excited to share with you a new way to party with Pampered Chef. It's called Shared Rewards. Everyone gets to share in the rewards of the party. So, if the sharing starts when the party total equals $100 and it goes all the way up to $1,000. So at $100, you get to save 2.5% in your shopping cart. When the party total hits $1,000, you get to save 25% in your shopping cart. And that's for everyone, whether you only purchase $10 worth of product or you purchase $1,000 worth of product. Whatever amount you purchase, you get to share in the rewards for that party. And if you want to dig into it a little bit more, I've got a slide here that shows the different levels, the different shopping levels, and what the discount is for those. Shared rewards starts at $100 and goes up by 2.5% for every $100 spent, to a maximum of 25% savings when the party total reaches $1,000. And don't forget, when your shopping cart gets to $150, you get to have free shipping, another way to save. So join us for the party and start shopping and saving. Thank you. Bye-bye.